Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIBS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Lecture. My dear student, today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 1 and our today's lecture number 4. And our today's class topic is chapter 2 exercise. In your book, in page number 16, you found some exercise. Now we do this exercise. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. In your book, here is the picture, but I wrote their name. Number 1. Which one is a living thing? Answer: light, a cup of tea, and camel. We know that camel is a living thing. It's an animal and it lives in basically desert. So camel is a living thing. We put the tick mark on camel. Question number 2. We put the tick mark on camel. Question number 2. Which one needs food to live? Here is the option: bird, sun, and printer. We know that bird is a living thing. So bird need food to live. So we put the tick mark on bird. And number 3, question number 3. Which one can have babies? Option: A, chair table, B, pencil, C, rat. We know that a rat is a living thing and it gives birth of little babies. So we put the tick mark on rat. Number 4. Which one can move on its own? Which one can move on its own? There is option: aeroplane, snake, and fan. These two things are non-living things. Aeroplane and fan, they can move, but they cannot move by themselves. They when we give them switch or when we drive them, then aeroplane and fan can move, but a snake can move by itself. So I put the tick mark on a snake. Now fill in the blanks. State whether the following sentence are true or false. In this exercise, we will found few sentences, and after the sentence there is a blank space. You have to find out this sentence is true or false. If false, you will write false in the blank space, and if the sentence is true, you will write true in the blank space. Now let's read the sentence. Number 1. A house is a living thing. We know that a house is not a living thing because it's a non-living thing. So answer will be false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So a house is a living thing. Answer: false. Number 2. A plant grows into a tree. Answer: true. Yes, a plant can grow on a tree. So answer: true. T-R-U-E. True. Number 3. A school is a man-made non-living thing. Answer: true. We know that a school is a man-made thing and it's a non-living thing. So answer will be true. T-R-U-E. True. Number 4. A box can breathe. We know that a box is a non-living thing, so it cannot breathe. So answer will be false. Here is the answer: false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Sentence number 5. A hen lays eggs. We know that a hen is a living thing and it also lays eggs. So answer will be true. Number 6. A river is made by man. No, a river is not made by man. A river is a natural thing. So we can say that it is, the sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Number 7. A dog needs food to live. Answer will be true because a dog is a living thing, so it needs food. And sentence number 8 and the last one sentence. A car moves on its own. No, a car cannot move by itself. When we drive them, it can be moved. So the answer will be false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now again I read the sentence. Number 1. A house is a living thing. Answer false. Number 2. A plant grows into a tree. Answer true. Number 3. A school is a man-made non-living thing. Answer will be true. Number 4. A box can breathe. False. Number 5. A hen lays egg. Answer true. Number 6. A river is made by man. False. Number 7. A dog needs food to live. True. Number 8. A car moves on its own. False. My dear students, in our today's class, we read exercise number A, choose the correct answer, and exercise number B, true and false. And your homework for the next week is homework number 3, and it will be fill in the blanks. Sorry, it will be true and false. It will be true and false. My dear students, I hope you understand the class and you will do the homework properly. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.